Hey there, welcome to today's video where we are going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when writing tests in NUnit 4.2 with .NET 8. The problem we are looking at is how to output custom messages in both failing and passing asserts, especially when using assert multiple. This can be quite tricky as we want to provide additional context even when our asserts pass, aiding in tracking tests from the CI pipeline. Now, diving into the solution we have at hand, we can extend the assert class to include a new parameter that allows us to output messages alongside our asserts. By customizing the Assert.That method with the desired parameters, we can achieve this. The provided code snippet demonstrates how we can accomplish this by leveraging the test context. Out.WriteLine method to output our assert descriptions even on successful assertions, bringing more visibility to our test cases. Expanding further on the solution, we can go a step ahead and verify if an assert was successful by modifying the assert class. By utilizing reflection to access the private report failure method, we can capture successful assertions and log a success message using test context. Out.WriteLine. This approach helps us maintain the original Assert.That behavior while enhancing our testing logs with success messages, even within assert multiple scopes. In summary, we've addressed the problem of enhancing test logs in NUnit by extending the assert class to include custom messages for successful assertions, providing valuable insights into test outcomes. By incorporating these modifications, we can streamline test tracking and visibility within the CI pipeline. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.